Alright, messing around with the Memorex hack that Wes sent me. And as you can see, I have it set up to an iHome little speaker. It's a cute little speaker. It changes colors. And it's actually real neat. You can charge it with your USB port. And it plugs into the headphone jack right there. So just turn it on. Is there anybody out there that wants to come over and say hi? Let me turn the volume up a little. Good. It's good. This radio's good. That's funny. Let's see what the bass boost does. Can you say hi? I don't think I like the bass boost. Hey, baby. Alright, let me read the directions here real quick. Actually, alright, we're going to try switching to AM real quick and see what happens on AM. Give me 1 second. I highly doubt it's going to be Is anybody there? Come on. Can you say hi? I don't think I like AM. I think it stays on the station too long. Alright, let's go back to FM. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna shut it off now. Do you guys want to say anything before I shut it down? Alright, I'm gonna get on the 12470 here in a second. I haven't used that one in forever.